Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Just wanted to update you guys on RKT. We did have a huge pop up towards 34.72. The high was 34.85. So I do think we might actually keep running back up higher. You guys know that with RKT, I'm okay with it going all the way back to 19 bucks or staying around this level and going higher. I'm not going to sell anything, at least not anytime soon. I do think it's going to go even higher. Currently right now, my position is a little bit over $100,000. I actually bought more calls today, expiring next week. On those, I'm up 700 bucks, 40%. And then for the other ones that I was holding since like 6 months ago, I'm up around $800 or 33, almost 34%. But like I told you guys, not selling. I think it's going to keep going on the upward side. If it does, fantastic. If it doesn't, then it's not. But you guys know I like to be a little bit risky when it comes to, a lot of my stocks and stuff. This shit is either going to the top or it's going back down, and I'm okay with either, right? So just updating you guys on my position. Currently up over, almost 50% on this, over 33K. Not gonna be selling, man. I do think that RKT hasn't even left the fucking launch pad yet, man. Honestly, I do think that this week potentially can definitely hit 40 bucks. And we can definitely see maybe $50 by next week. And that's not even a joke, right? That's more not necessarily a price target, but this is definitely a long-term hold for me, and I'm not going to be selling anytime soon. So I'll see you guys later.